Good morning. In this presentation, we will briefly discuss the learning value of the program on analyzing remanded and the sentenced inmates in terms of aggression, depression, and the ability changes. We will also highlight its key strengths, how it supports law students, and a few ways it can be further enriched for interdisciplinary learning. Now, let's see the program offers. The program provides a strong foundation in understanding behavioral patterns in custodial and the correctional settings. It introduces assessment tools, practical intervention models, and the ethical considerations when working with incarcerated populations. Overall, this learning experience helps us appreciate the psychological dimensions of crime and the rehabilitation, which adds depth to our legal training. Slide 3. The benefits for law students. It means us. For law students, this learning experience is especially helpful in developing a more nuanced understanding of offending behavior. Exposure to concepts such as trauma, emotional regulation, and the behavioral change supports more informed reasoning about criminal responsibility, sentencing, and the rehabilitation. The practical components also strengthen communication skills, empathy, and the professional sensitivity, which are essential when engaging with clients in custodial or the vulnerable context.
The content covered is highly relevant to core areas of legal study, including criminal law, criminal procedure, and human rights. Understanding the psychological impact of remand and incarceration allows us to better analyze issues such as prolonged detention, custodial stress, and human treatment within the justice system. This interdisciplinary perspective help bridge the gap between legal doctrine and real world experiences within correctional environments. And scope for further enrichment. Looking ahead, interdisciplinary learning could be further enriched by including more legal case examples alongside the psychological concepts discussed. Brief discussions on how courts engage with psychological reports as well as collaborative learning between law and psychology students could also enhance practical understanding. These additions would complement the existing strength of the program. In conclusion, this learning experience offered meaningful interdisciplinary value for legal education. It broadened our perspective on crime by integrating psychological insights with ethical and rehabilitative considerations. This approach encouraged a more human and reform oriented understanding of justice, which is essential for responsible legal practice. We are grateful for the opportunity to engage with these perspectives. Thank you.